Welcome to my tablet guru. Here in this video we will see how to fix the Funbook tablet, and the tablet is completely dead. Now to fix it, first of all we have to remove the back cover. For that you can use any pointed object. And also do it with precaution, you should not break any wire. Now here come the back cover. Now in most of the cases the issue is related with the battery, so we will start with the battery itself. Now here you can see the red and black wire, that is the positive and negative end of the battery, and it is connected to the chip circuit. Now on the voltmeter it shows that the battery voltage is 3.3 volt, which is quite low. So in this case either you can boost your battery or you have to replace it with a new one. We have tried the boost method but it does not work, so here we are replacing the battery. Now with precaution take out the battery, and for that here we are using soldering machine. And also do it with precaution as the soldering machine is generally hot. Now here come both the wires. Now the battery is completely separated from the tablet. Now we will attach a new one. Now to attach the new one, again we will be using the soldering machine. After attaching the new battery to the tablet, put back the back cover and switch on the tablet. And here I am pressing the power button. Now the tablet is start, so we can say that the issue is related with the battery only. So keep watching this channel for more tablet solution. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.